Has and have. In this video, I will tell you the rules to remember when to use has and when to use have in the given sentence. We'll see some examples with the help of picture and then we'll be doing some exercises based on has and have. So let us start. Has and have. They both are used to show possession, which means to show something belongs to you or someone else. Now, let us see the rule when to use has. We use has with he, she, it and singular. He when we are talking about one boy, she when we are talking about one girl, singular means whenever we are talking about anything, let it be animal, human being or anything that is in singular. Okay, means one. And it we use for animals and non-living things both. Now let's see the rule for have. We use have with I. With I we always use have. You. When we are talking about somebody else, we use you. They. When we are talking about many people, then we will use they. We. When we are talking about ourselves and someone else around us, then we use we. Plural. When we are talking about many people, many things and many animals, then also we will use have. Now, let us write the rule on top and see these examples. She dash a pet cat. Here we can see she. Let us see the rule box on top. She. She is there. With she we will write has. Very good. Now let's see the next one. He dash a ball. He is there in the rule box. With he we will write has. So we will write he has a ball. Next one. It dash 7 colors. It is there in the rule box. So with it we will write has. It has 7 colors. Ravi dash a red car. Ravi is a singular. Okay, it's a singular noun. So with singular also we will write has. Ravi has a red car. Now let us focus on have. Monkeys dash long tail. Here monkeys, we are talking about many monkeys, that is plural. Okay, so with plural, just have a look at the rule box. Plural, we will write have. Monkeys have long tail. I dash a younger brother. I told you with I we use have. I have a younger brother. Okay, I have written the rule on top. So you need to see the rule box and then it will be easy for you to fill the blank. We dash a toy shop. Okay, here we is coming. Let us see the rule box on top. We. With we will use have. We have a toy shop. Next one. You dash long hair. We can see you in the rule box. So, with you, we will write have. You have long hair. We dash a big house. We is there in the rule box. So, we'll write we have a big house. Now let us do some exercise and remember the rule. I've written both the rule on top. After seeing that, you will fill these exercises. First one is Myra dash a short hair. Myra. Here, Myra is a singular noun. Okay, I've highlighted it with yellow color. Myra is a singular noun. So, singular noun we will use has. Myra has short hair. Now, let's see the next one. We dash 5 puppies. So, we can see the word we and in the rule box it's there. With we will use have. So, we will highlight it. We. Now we will write we have 5 puppies. Now let's see the next one. She dash a nice frock. She. Let us see she in the rule box. She is there. So, with she, we will use has. We're talking about one girl. So, we will write she has a nice frock. Let's see the next one. He dash a pet dog. He. We can see he in the rule box. With he, we will be using has. He has a pet dog. Let's see the next one. They dash a big house. They. We can see they in the rule box with have. They have a big house. Okay, now let's do some more exercises. A car dash 4 wheels. A car. We are talking about one car. This is a singular noun. Okay, singular. With singular, we will write has. A car has 4 wheels. Next one. You dash 2 pens. Okay, let's see this in the rule box. You is there. With you, we will use have. You have 2 pens. Next one. I dash many friends. Okay, I dash many friends. Let's see the rule box. I is there. With I, we will use have. So it will come, I have many friends. Next one, it dash a long neck. Let's see the rule box. It is there and it will go with has. It has long neck. Okay, it has a long neck. Children dash completed their work. The word children means we are talking about many children. Okay, it's not about one boy or one girl. We're talking about plural. Okay, so children dash completed their work. With plural, you can see we will write have. Children have completed their work. Boys dash won the match. Boys. Here we are talking about plural. Children, just look at the rule box also. I am highlighting both the words at rule box side also and with the sentence also, so that you can see and you will understand it better. Boys dash won the match. Plural. So with plural we'll write have. Boys have won the match. Simi dash colorful marbles. Simi, we are talking about one girl. It's singular. Okay, singular noun. So we will highlight it, singular noun, and Simi has. With singular we will write has. Simi has colorful marbles. You dash a beautiful garden. You. We use you with have. Okay, you have a beautiful garden. They dash a blue car. They, we are talking about plural. Okay, we are talking about plural and we can see in the rule box they is there. With that we will use have. They have a blue car. Next one, we dash a big library. We can see in the rule box. We use it with have. Okay, we have a big library. I hope Now you can very well understand when to use have and when to use has in the given sentence. Thank you so much for learning with us. Do remember all the rules and all the best.